Hello, my name is Patrick Mytinger, and the problem I'm going to be doing is 3.5 number 4 from the homework that's due this morning. And I'll show the problem. It is h of t is equal to 13 arc cotangent t plus 13 arc cotangent 1 over t. And notice the plus sign in between them, which means you can just derive each one separately on its own. And so I'm going to derive the first one, and then I'll explain what I did. And first of all, you see that it's both of them are cotangent, or arc cotangent I mean. So the derivative of arc cotangent is -1 over 1 plus x squared. So keep that in mind, and then I'll explain exactly what I did here. So I'm going to derive the first side and explain it. Okay, so the first side is easy because we're just dealing with a t. So we'll leave the 13 on the outside because it's just a number alone, and you just leave it on the outside. So I do the -1 over 1 plus t squared, just subbing in the t for the x, and I would do nothing further to derive this because the derivative of t would just be 1, so there's no point in adding a times 1 because it would just leave you with the same thing. So next I'm going to go on to the second half of it, and it's arc cotangent as well, so it's going to be the same type of model, but I'm going to plug in the 1 divided by t for where the t is in there for x, and I'll show you what I do there too. Okay, and you can see I left the 13 on the outside as well because it's just a number alone, and you can see that I did the -1 over 1 plus 1 divided by t squared because that's what we're dealing with right above it. And different from the other side is that the derivative of 1 over t isn't just 1, so we have to use the chain rule to apply and further derive this. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. Since 1 over t is the same thing as t to the -1, I'll show you under it exactly how I'm going to derive it. So 1 over t is equal to t to the -1. So the derivative of that would be take the negative down, keep the t, then -1 from the top, so right down there, the derivative of 1 over t would actually be -t to the power of -2. So let me write that in next to the problem to finish it off. And voila! Right there's your full answer. H prime of t is equal to 13 times -1 over 1 plus t squared plus 13 times -1 over 1 plus 1 divided by t squared times -t to the -2 power. There you go.